Echoes of Robert Lee Frost. A Journey Through the Ordinary. Listen to the story carefully. Story 42. Storm Fear. I crouched by the window, rain lashing against the glass, wind shaking the old frame as clouds roared overhead. Trees bent and groaned. Lightning flashing like furious fingers across the sky. My heart pounded with the rhythm of the storm, each crack of thunder a reminder of how small we are against nature's might. I wrapped a blanket tight, listening to the house creak and sigh, feeling both dread and awe. Outside, the world blurred in sheets of rain, animals hidden, streets empty. I whispered to myself, calming trembling thoughts, knowing fear is part of the storm as much as wind and water. Hours passed, the tempest slowly spent, and I stepped outside into puddles and mist, shivering but alive. Understanding that fear teaches respect, patience, and the quiet strength to endure what cannot be controlled. Now listen to the poem. Rain lashes hard against the glass, wind shakes the house as storms pass. Lightning splits the darkened sky, thunder cracks, heart beats high. Trees bend, groan, shadows sway, fear and awe mix in display. Blanket wraps, house creaks near, storm blurs streets. Animals disappear. Whispered calm in trembling chest. Fear is part of nature's test. Hours pass, tempest spent, puddles, mist, new calm is lent. Respect and strength quietly learned. Endurance is the prize returned.